Today I'm outside. I'm going to demonstrate corrosion inspection on a steel pipe. I have the Dolphitech 2 system here, the core unit here. I got a pipe, I got a 5 megahertz TRM, I got an encoder, and I got the pipe shoe right here. And I got a water pressure system here to get some water couplant. First, let's look at the pipe shoe. This is meant for 200 millimeter diameter, which is approximately what I have here. I got a water hose in here, and it's got a small little outlets here on the bottom, as you see. So if I release the pressure on the water, you will see that it comes out of these 5 holes. To fix the TRM on the pipe shoe, you first put a little bit of gel inside the pipe shoe, and you put the TRM inside it, and then you replace this top cover with this pipe shoe bracket, and then you attach the bracket with these 4 screws. Then you attach the wheel encoder to the transducer module. So I got the setup ready here now to inspect. Just to show you the corrosion that I've made inside is basically just grinding some material off so you get a different thickness. You can also see that I've made some pen marks here for every 25 millimeter or 1 inch. This can of course also be scanned with chain scanners or even magnetic scanner, but I'm just demonstrating this here now with a normal encoder. So the setup is now ready to start scanning, and I'm going to roll this pipe around instead of moving the TRM around the pipe, since this is not a fixed pipe, but the principle is the same. So loading the full matrix capture data in the software in the office, enabling A&V scan, you can see thickness readings of the undamaged area about 8.4 millimeters. Going into the corroded area, I can see thicknesses of 6.8 all the way down to 6.25 millimeters. You can see the value here in the C scan, the thickness C scan, and also down here at the A scan. And you can see the nature of the corrosion here in the B scan as well. So I hope you enjoyed that demo of scanning corrosion.